For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The coronavirus pandemic, which has presented challenges for several nations, could be an opportunity for India to speed up the health insurance scheme Ayushman Bharat, especially with a focus on primary healthcare. COVID-19 is very unfortunate and it's challenging for many nations, but we need to look for opportunities too. For instance, for India, this could be an opportunity to speed up Ayushman Bharat, especially with a focus on primary healthcare. I know there's a very strong commitment from the government to speed up the implementation of Ayushman Bharat, and with primary healthcare and community engagement, I think we can really turn the tide. India went past Italy on Friday to become the 6th worst hit nation by the COVID-19 pandemic. India saw a record single-day jump of 9,882 coronavirus cases and 294 deaths on Saturday, pushing the nationwide infection tally to 236,657 and the death toll to 6,642. Ayushman Bharat was appreciated, and the World Health Organization chief said that this would benefit India in the long run. Using and speeding up what has started could actually help in India, and that's what World Health Organization was very appreciative by the way when Ayushman Bharat started, and this could be a very good opportunity actually to test that and speed up and use it really fight this pandemic. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's health insurance scheme is one of the largest in the entire world, and India, having a population of over 130 crore, will find it definitely tough to implement. But the way that it has been done by the government has won them praises from all quarters. Ayushman Bharat is the world's largest health insurance scheme and was launched by Narendra Modi government in 2018. Last month, Modi had said that the number of people who have benefited from the scheme crossed the 1 crore mark. The scheme aims to cover more than 500 million beneficiaries and provide coverage of 5 lakh rupees per family per year. Ayushman Bharat has also been talked about by the World Health Organization, where it has pointed out that it can benefit other countries in Asia. The salient features of Ayushman Bharat are: it provides cashless and paperless services to its beneficiaries at the point of service. E-cards are provided to the eligible beneficiaries based on the deprivation. There is no restriction on family size, age, or gender. All previous medical conditions are covered under the scheme. It covers 3 days of hospitalization and 15 days of post-hospitalization, including diagnostic care. It also covers diagnostic care and expenses on medicines. The scheme is portable, and a beneficiary can avail medical treatment at any PMJ empaneled hospital outside their state and anywhere in the country. The central government has decided to provide free testing and treatment of coronavirus under the Ayushman Bharat Yojana. After World Health Organization has said that Ayushman Bharat model can be helpful for other countries as well, health experts in Asia are holding talks to introduce similar kind of models to help the people of their respective countries.